Here is something I learned after having dinner with Tito Bo. I've noticed that the lifestyle that Tito Bo lives is, aside from having his speaking engagements, book writing, I realize how much he makes time for his family, and he has time. You know, like a lot of successful people really do create time for themselves. They fill their cup first. I remember when I asked him, like, what are you going to do after the dinner? And he was like, I'm going to finish my 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps? Mura kong nauwaw, oy! And he's already in his 50s. And I was like, he's going to do 10,000 steps. So that reminded me that you're not busy. You know, we have the same time as Beyonce. We have the same 24 hours as Tito Bo Sanchez. So, walay magtapol-tapol. Maglihok na ta. That's the tea for today.